grade 2 students, how are you all? I am Priya Mishra from NLK group of schools, and today we are going to study English language. And the topic for today is ABC order. What is the name of the topic? ABC order. Now you all will be thinking that what is this topic? ABC order. Okay, so let me explain you that ABC order is also known as alphabetical order. ABC order is also known as alphabetical order. As you can see that I have written 26 letters of English alphabet on this sheet, which we have already read in the last turn, that there are 26 letters in English alphabet, and all those letters I have written on this sheet. So let's read the letters fast. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are the 26 letters of English alphabet, and this is the order of the letters. Means always in English language, whenever you will write A, B, C, D, you will write all the letters in this specific order only. अगर आप B को A के पहले लिख देंगे या E को F के बाद लिखेंगे, Z को सबसे पहले लिख देंगे, Q को सबसे एंड में लिख देंगे, तो ये ऑर्डर पूरा गलत हो जाएगा. This order will be wronged. So in English alphabet, the letters are always written in this order only. English alphabet में हम हमेशा letters को इसी order में लिखते हैं. अगर हम order change करेंगे तो वो गलत हो जाएगा. So this order is only known as ABC order. Letters को लिखने का ये order, ये sequence ही ABC order या फिर alphabetical order बोला जाता है. So I hope now what is ABC order is clear to you. So let's proceed further. Okay, let's read. English alphabet. In English alphabet, letters A to Z are arranged in a particular order. This order is named as ABC order. English alphabet में A से Z तक के letters एक sequence में एक order में arrange होते हैं और उस order को हम change नहीं कर सकते, otherwise that order will be wronged. So this order is only named as ABC order. For example, we have few words. We have towel, shoe, grapes, king, coin. I have written 5 words over here. Towel, shoe, grapes, king, coin. These are 5 words and we need to arrange them in ABC order. Now you will think like that these words are written correctly and spellings are also correct. So how to arrange this in ABC order? What is the correct order of writing these words? Okay, maybe some of you have used dictionary. Have you ever heard this word dictionary? कभी आपने dictionary शब्द सुना है? In dictionary, whenever you find, okay, let me tell you what dictionary is first. Dictionary is particular a small book, a small pocket book. It comes in big size also, from which we can find the meaning of any word, जिससे हम किसी भी word का meaning easily निकाल सकते हैं. So in that dictionary also, अगर सारे words ऊपर नीचे दिए होंगे तो हमको meaning find करने में difficulty आएगी. Like हमने A से words कोई दिया है तो उसको किसी भी जगह लिख दिया है तो हम उसको ढूंढ नहीं पाएंगे. So in dictionary always words are given in ABC order. ABC order means जितने A से start होने वाले words हैं वो सारे starting में होंगे, then B, then C, then D, then E. और अगर हम इस order को याद रखते हैं तो हमें words को find out करने में आसानी होती है. तो इतनी बड़ी डिक्शनरी में से भी हम easily वो word को find out करके उसका meaning निकाल सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं. So this is particularly known as ABC order और यही ABC order की importance भी है. So now how we will change these group of words in or how we will write these group of words in correct order, we will see the first letter of the word. हम हमेशा word का पहला अक्षर देखेंगे, first letter. Then we will arrange the words as per order of the letters. जैसा order ABC order यानी A to Z में letters का होता है, फिर वैसे ही हम first letter को देखकर words को उसी order में arrange कर देंगे. Okay, so the first letters of the words are T, S, G, K, C. Which letter comes first? Out of all these letters, C, then G, then K, then S, and at last T. So now we have arranged the letters. Now we'll write the words in this order only, in the order of the letters. Like firstly we'll write coin, then grapes, then king, then shoe, and then tar. We'll write coin, grapes, king, shoe, tar. So now these words are written in correct ABC order. So this is the importance of ABC order, and this is what ABC order is. Whenever you write the words, whenever you write different words in the order of their letters coming in English alphabet, that order is known as ABC order. I hope grade 2 this topic is clear to you. We'll meet further in the next class. Till then, thank you so much.